In this guide, I'll show you the best settings to save your Photoshop images in high resolution. So it's a nice and easy tutorial. Let's just head into Photoshop, and once we've got our finished project on the screen here, you just need to come up to File in the top left, come down to Export and select Export As. Now for the file format, you're going to select either PNG or JPEG. PNGs are generally the best file format when it comes to quality. They're much better than JPEGs because they use lossless compression, but it does mean a lot bigger file size. If you have a transparent image, you will need to select PNG anyway, as only PNGs support transparency. If you're not worried about file size and just want the best quality, then select PNG. Otherwise, if you want to keep the file size small but still want to maintain a high quality image, then go ahead and select JPEG. Then come down and you want to make sure the image size matches the canvas size like so. Make sure scale is set to 100%. For resample, you can either select bicubic sharper or bicubic smoother. If you have quite a sharp image already, then we can select this bicubic smoother. If you need a bit of sharpness added to your image, then I'd recommend selecting bicubic sharper. Then finally at the bottom, you can decide whether you want to keep the meta or not. This doesn't really affect the file quality, and I'd recommend keeping the color space options to their defaults. And then we can just come down and press the export button at the bottom here. Select where you want this to be saved to. I'm just going to keep it in my desktop and click save. And that's it, guys. That's the best settings in Photoshop to keep all of your images high quality. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.